The enchanted garden, in the heart of a small village, nestled between rolling hills and meandering streams, there lived a curious and imaginative girl named Lily. Lily had always been captivated by stories of hidden treasures and magical realms, and her heart longed for adventure beyond the familiar sights of the village. One day, while exploring the outskirts of the village, Lily stumbled upon an overgrown path that led into a dense thicket. Intrigued, she pushed aside the branches and discovered a forgotten garden hidden behind a veil of foliage. The air was filled with the sweet scent of flowers, and the sunlight filtered through the leaves, casting a soft glow on the enchanting scene. Lily couldn't believe her eyes. The garden, though overgrown and wild, held an undeniable charm. Colorful blooms reached toward the sky, and vines adorned the stone archways that framed the entrance. It was a secret garden, a place forgotten by time. Determined to uncover the mysteries within, Lily took it upon herself to restore the garden to its former glory. Armed with a small gardening kit and fueled by her sense of wonder, she set to work clearing away the weeds, nurturing the soil, and coaxing the dormant plants back to life. As the weeks passed, the garden transformed into a haven of beauty and magic. Vibrant flowers unfurled their petals, creating a kaleidoscope of colors. Butterflies and hummingbirds became frequent visitors, adding to the enchantment of the secret garden. Word of Lily's discovery spread throughout the village, and soon friends and neighbors joined her in the restoration effort. The once hidden garden became a community project, a labor of love that brought the villagers together. They built arbors, crafted benches from reclaimed wood, and painted whimsical murals on the garden walls. The secret garden became a sanctuary for all who sought solace and inspiration. Villagers, young and old, visited the garden to find moments of peace and connection with nature. Lily, with a heart full of joy, realized that the garden had become a gift not only to her, but to the entire community. One sunny afternoon, as Lily tended to the blossoms, she noticed a peculiar-looking door nestled in the corner of the garden, a door she hadn't seen before. Intrigued, she approached and gently turned the handle. To her surprise, the door creaked open, revealing a hidden passage that led to a realm beyond imagination. Hesitant, but filled with curiosity, Lily stepped through the doorway and found herself in a breathtaking landscape. The colors were more vibrant, the air more alive with the melody of unseen creatures, and the flowers seemed to dance to an otherworldly tune. As Lily explored this magical realm, she encountered talking animals, mischievous fairies, and wise old trees with branches that whispered ancient tales. Each step led her deeper into a world where fantasy and reality intertwined, a place of wonder that mirrored the enchantment she had brought to the once hidden garden. In this magical realm, Lily discovered that the secret garden served as a gateway to a dimension where dreams took shape and imagination knew no bounds. The creatures welcomed her as the guardian of the secret garden, a title she accepted with humility and joy. With newfound friends by her side, Lily embarked on adventures that transcended the boundaries of the village and ventured into realms unseen. She learned that the power of the secret garden wasn't just in its beauty, but in the shared dreams and creativity it sparked in those who entered its gates. Back in the village, the secret garden continued to be a source of inspiration and wonder. Lily's tales of the magical realm captivated the villagers, and the garden became a symbol of the extraordinary possibilities that awaited those who dared to dream. As the seasons changed, the secret garden flourished, and its magic continued to touch the lives of all who embraced its wonders. Lily, though now a guardian of the secret garden, remained humble and kind, sharing the enchantment with those who needed a moment of escape or a spark of inspiration. The once hidden garden had become a beacon of hope, a testament to the transformative power of nature, and a reminder that magic could be found in the most unexpected places. Lily's journey had not only brought a forgotten garden to life, but it opened a portal to a realm of dreams where the extraordinary and the ordinary coexisted in perfect harmony. And so, The secret garden remained a cherished treasure, a place where the spirit of adventure thrived, and the magic of the imagination continued to bloom, reminding all who entered that sometimes the most extraordinary discoveries are found in the most ordinary moments.
Bye.